This is a bad screen. You need to replace it. First, shut down. Okay, we need to take out the battery. You need to take out the battery first for safety. Now the battery is out. We need to remove the screen. To remove the screen, first we need to remove one and two screw is covered with a small piece of cover, round cover. Remove it. We remove it, and then there are two screws. Okay, first one on the right and second one on the left. Once we remove the screw, we can remove the cover, the edge of the screen. Just pop it out a little bit, piece by piece. Okay, just be careful to remove the edge. Okay, now you have a screen. Shows here that the screen has 3 screws on each side. 1, 2, 3 on the right side, and then on the left side 1, 2, 3. Okay, right now work on the right side. Oops, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now we have the screen uncovered and unscrewed, so we can take out. There is a camera cable, and for Acer it's nice, it's not attached to the screen itself, so you just need to remove the connector of the screen because it has tape. So you must be very careful not to damage the connector, also the tape itself, because you still need the tape. Okay, right now we have the broken screen. Now we need to find a good screen. A good screen can be bought by the from screencountry.com. Here is the screen. It looks exactly the same with the same connector. Oops, wrong side, same connector. So we place it carefully on the computer, and we need to carefully connect the connector. And after connect the connector, you have to remember that put the tape back on to fix it, make it firm. Okay, so okay, it's back. So we need to take out the cover put it back on the computer. Okay. 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 So right now we need to put screws back. Okay, right side is finished. Now we move on to the left side. Okay, well, once we put it back, next step is just put the plastic back on from the top first. Okay. And slowly moving to the edge. Also on the bottom side. Okay, before we put two screws back, we make sure it's okay. The plastic is firm. Okay, now we can put the two main screws back. And right side. Now we need to put the black dot back to make it looks like it's just like before. Okay. Now we make sure everything is okay. We put the battery back, lock it. Now we turn on the power. Let's see. So far looks okay. Now we are waiting for the Windows screen to make sure everything is okay. Yep. It's just like new. Finish. Job done.